Continuing the walk on down now. Chaser's down below. I've got this on an extension. The camera's on an extension here, 4 feet long. Hope it's not too jerky. I'm trying to give you the feeling of walking down the trail, since many of you can't do that. And I understand. I want to give you the experience of walking down the trail. I don't know if you can hear right now, but as we get further down the trail, you can hear the creek getting louder. It comes into an opening right here, and we'll be able to hear the creek a lot better. Butterfly up on this little mound here. Down over that beautiful tree. I have no idea what kind of tree that is. They grow quite prolific if you let them go, though. I know that. I've seen them. You can hear the creek loud down in there. Sounds so good. And then this is an open spot here. So temperature here, it's quite a bit warmer. It's probably 10 degrees warmer. Well, there is still a cool little breeze, but reflecting off the rocks, it just feels quite a bit warmer right here. The air's not moving as much. And the rocks have all been heated up by the sun, so we'll move right along through this area since it's warmer, keeping our eyes still open to try and find something moving around. Like that butterfly just flew right by the camera. So as you walk in nature and you observe what's going on around you, go slow. You know, take a look around, different kinds of plants that there are. Notice how they change with the seasons. This one right here, it's all gone to seed, dried out. I believe this is the same plant as that. In fact, I'm almost certain of it. This one has not gone so far. It's green. This one's all drying out. It's just further along in its life cycle. Kind of like me. I'm further along in my life cycle. So as we meander down the trail, we've got a little switch back here. There's a black butterfly. We'll stop and see if he lands. He may have landed around the corner here. Chasers come back to make sure we're okay. And we are. One more look back at the canyon. So beautiful up there. So beautiful. Rocks, ledges, creek running in the bottom. Just one of many special places in nature you can find, I can find. We can share them together. We don't have to abuse them. We just come out here, we take out trash if we see it. We always take out our own trash. We try to conserve the land, respect the land, and in doing so, she gives back to us lessons, she gives back to us symbolism, she gives back to us beauty, and we begin to understand who we are and where we came from. There's a snake. Oh yeah, snake. Whoa, it's a rattler. It is a rattler too. Yep, I can see the rattle. He was right on the trail, man. Okay, I'm gonna try to get down here where we can see it. Yeah, you can see the rattle right there. Most definitely a rattle. Whew. think he crawled into a hole and his tail's still just sticking out. So I'm going to leave him alone. Don't want to get down there too close. That is the first rattlesnake I've ever seen, and it's got me more cautious now. Woo, chaser. That'll get your heart beating.